I hope all of you have understood how to write answer to a question and what are the things we must keep in mind when we are writing answer to a question. In this session, we are going to discuss another question. The question is, draw up a list of democratic rights we enjoy today whose origins could be traced to the French Revolution of 1789. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि आज के डेट में हमारे पास कौन कौन से फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैं हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो 1789 के फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के समय में चर्चा में थे। इस बात को ध्यान में रखना है, यहां भी है और उस समय में भी चर्चा में थे। वो कौन से राइट्स हैं? तो सबसे पहले हम लोगों को यह समझना होगा कि हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कौन कौन से फंडामेंटल राइट्स हमें मिले हैं, तभी तो हम पकड़ पाएंगे। देन ओनली वी विल कम टू नो कि व्हाट आर द राइट्स, फंडामेंटल राइट्स वी हैव गॉट फ्रॉम आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन इंडिया टुडे, and out of those rights, which rights were, discussed at that time, during the French Revolution of 1789. In the Constitution of India, the concept of fundamental rights has been borrowed from the Constitution of the United States of America. In Part 3 of the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights have been described from Article number 14 to Article number 35. Right to equality from Article number 14 to Article number 18. Right to freedom from Article number 19 to Article number 22. Right against exploitation from Article number 23 to Article number 24. Right to freedom of religion from Article number 25 to Article number 28. Cultural and educational rights from Article number 29 to Article number 30. Right to constitutional remedies from Article number 32 to Article number 35. Here, if you have paid attention, you must have noticed Article number 31. I didn't say. This Article number 31 and Article number 19(1)(f). I repeat once again. Article number 1919 in bracket 1 then F and Article number 31. These two articles describe the right to property. The right to property was suspended under 44th Constitutional Amendment in 1978. Now, right to property is not a fundamental right. It is a constitutional right now, and that is under Article number 300A. After coming to know about the fundamental rights we have got in our Constitution in Part 3, we can clearly identify the rights which have been discussed in the French Revolution. We can easily mention those rights which were discussed during that time and which are available to us today? So our answer will be, we can write like this. We the Indians have got 6 fundamental rights from our constitution at present. Out of these 6 fundamental rights, the following fundamental rights can be traced to the French Revolution of 1789. Number 1, the right to equality. Article number 14 to Article number 18. Number 2, the freedom of speech and expression. Article number 19. Number 3, right to freedom against exploitation. Article number 23 and 24. Number 4, right to constitutional remedies. Article number 32 to Article number 35. These are the 4 major fundamental rights we enjoy today from our constitution, and these fundamental rights can be traced to the French Revolution of 1789. This is the answer to the question. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you very much. God bless you all.